Okay, hello. My name is Kojo Usankakwashi. So this week, I was going through the case study, and I got a lot of understanding about how things is supposed to be done and how you can gather some information to create a database system and all that stuff. So going through, or maybe just taking my time to put some things down on my Excel, I got to find out that the website that I want to work with, that website, ideally, that website was created not long ago. It was created not long ago, but it has a domain name fixed, like fixed domain name, and anywhere you are, when you log in with that domain name, or when you try to search, it will give you feedback of that. And precisely, the domain name for the website is Dashing Fumigation. Dashing Fumigation. So it's a fumigation company. You know, fumigation companies, the services they provide, and they have some products they used to sell, and they have staff, or let's just say workers. They have clients. That's how the thing is. And the clients too, they get some services from them and other stuff. So I would like to go through the database. Just started creating the tables, but I've not linked the relationships. I've not linked the relationships. Okay, so I've created a product. Good, good. So now we have the client, we have service and products. Let me check my Excel file and see the other ones that I listed. Okay, we have client, services, products, and staff. Okay, let me create a staff also. So I'll get a table. That's a table. Okay, this table we got staff. The staff will have an ID, and that will be unique. A primary key also. Staff will get a name. I don't think we have anybody's name which is longer in that staff, and it should not be now. Staff member should have address. Address might be longer, ideally. It should have a rank. Rank should be voucher, but I don't think we have a rank that is okay. Let's just say 30. Okay, not now. Okay, okay, okay. So remaining another table. Now we have 5 tables that we are working on. So let me add the last table. The last table is the client's services. The client's services. That's how the thing works. Let me check the name that I gave to from the Excel. Client has services. Client have services. Client have services or customers have services. Definitely, the client services needs to get an ID, and the ID is a primary key, not now. And let me check from the Excel. Service type. Good. It is okay. It should not be now. Okay. And this one. Oh, sorry. Let me check the Excel and see. Date and time. You get everything documented, the date and time. So you change the data type to date and type. Date and time. Sorry, date and time. It should not be now. Why? It should not be now. Date and time. Oh no. Where's the date and time? Okay, so I'll just give you like, okay. Plenty is okay. Okay, all should not be now. So now let me work with the relationships. The relationships. Okay. So staff work with client. Staff members, they work with the client. Okay. Okay, let me delete this relation. Oh, sorry. Okay, so sorry. So let's just take many to many. Client. Oh, sorry. Many to many. Client work with this one. Okay. So the clients, they have services with that. With the clients have services. Okay, and the staff members to work with the client. Staff members will work with the client. So when the staff members work with the client, every staff member will get a product, or every staff member have access to a product. So I can take many to many. You get it? Yes. So the staff members, they have products, and the services that they provide. Let me arrange this thing very well so that it will be well explanatory. Okay. Okay. So one to many. You can provide plenty services also as well. Okay, so this is just a simple overview of it, or simple database that I've created. So if you take a look at it, you get to know that the client have access to the services that they've rendered, or they've rendered already. So they can check the time they had the services with them and other things, and it has an ID. And the clients have services. The service too they provided to have an ID, client ID, and the type and other stuff. When every staff member to have access to the services they will provide to, and every staff member to seem have access to all the products. And the products need to have ID, client ID, and product ID. Thank you very much. I think so. This is the database that I created for the site, for the website. Let's take a short or simple minute and go through the database and see how it is. So this is the website. This is the website. This is the website. And when you come to, let's check the about first before we go to the contact. About, sorry, about. The about, you see, they identify invading pets, including rats, termites, snakes, wasps, and other stuff. So these are some of the animals or the stubborn rats and cockroaches they deal with. And they have a map or a location for it. If you want to maybe locate them or maybe identify them. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I really appreciate more comments, and every suggestion is allowed also. Thank you.